Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Close CRM. Close CRM is a sales-focused platform designed for teams that rely on calls,